Here at giftingsense.org, we're passionate about empowering students with the financial information they need to shape their future. That's why we created the Teacher tab, a dedicated space where educators can access everything they need to conduct their own mindful spending workshops anytime, anywhere. And because we're mission-driven, all of our resources are completely free, safe, and classroom ready. No logins required and minimal prep time needed. Visit giftingsense.org/4-teachers to get started. There, you'll find downloadable handouts, a glossary, activities, lesson plans, and more. You can even order a free set of pencils so you can finish your workshop the same way we do, with a smiling reminder for your students to go old school, sharpen their pencil, and practice slow spending until it becomes a habit. Our workshops are built around the DIM Score Calculator, a permissionless online mindful spending tool that encourages kids, tweens, and teens to ask, does this purchase make sense? Before spending their money or anyone else's. Make sure to check out our Educator Frequently Asked Questions so that you can learn from teachers who've brought mindful spending workshops to their classrooms before. If you have any thoughts, questions, or feedback, don't hesitate to get in touch on our website. We respond every day. Until then, from all of us here at giftingsense.org, thank you for helping the next generation build a brighter, more mindful financial future.